Hello everyone, myself Mukesh Sharma, a third year BTech student at Made Delhi. I am excited to introduce Agento, the neural enterprise core in the world drowning in digital documents. Agento is a secure multimodal AI platform designed to transform your organization's static files into an interactive living intelligence layer. Let's see the problem. The problem is we identify a massive knowledge gap in modern enterprises and government sectors. Critical information, whether it's HR policies, technical SOPs, or legal rights, is locked away in thousands of static PDFs. This leads to inefficiency where employees waste hours searching for answers. Worse, it creates accessibility barrier for those who struggle with complex language or literacy, leaving them excluded from vital information. So let's see the solution. Agento solves this with three core pillars. Visual chat, we gone beyond text by generating visual aids for complex answers. Voice core, a hand-free full duplex voice interface for true accessibility. Secured hybrid architecture, a robust backend that ensures strict data isolation between different organizations. So let's see the tech stack. Technology textile. Let's look under the hood. We built Agento using a cutting edge stack. Front end is we pushed Streamline to its limits to create a custom single page application. Intelligence we have used we utilize the Google Gemini 2.5 and 2.0 Flash for low latency reasoning. For data, we use a hybrid approach, MongoDB for relational data and RBAC role based access control, and Qdrant Cloud for high speed vector search. Voice, we have used a custom pipeline using speech recognition and GTTS ensures seamless audio interaction. So it's a visual reasoning engine, a first feature. This is our key differentiator. Standard chatbots just dump walls of text on the user. Agento features a visual reasoning engine. It detects if an answer involves a process like hiring workflow or deployment steps and automatically renders a Mermaid.js flowchart. This instantly turns complex text into clear visual logic. Another is a immersive AI call mode with a 3D avatar. For accessibility, we engineered the AI call mode. This is a non-blocking hand-free interface. Unlike standard audio players that freeze the screen, our architecture allows the user to interact with the UI, viewing and closing pop-up diagrams while the AI is still speaking. This simulates a real consultation with a human expert. Next is the enterprise security. Security is not an afterthought, it's the foundation. Agento enforces strict multi-tenancy. We use logical isolation in Quadrant to ensure company A never accesses the company B's data. We also implemented a dual model failover system, switching between the Gemini 2.5 and 2.0 Flash model and the API key rotation to ensure 99.9% uptime for enterprise clients. Let's do a platform walkthrough. This is how the platform works in the practice. First is onboarding. An admin registers and receives the unique secure workspace ID. Then is ingestion. The admin uploads documents which are chunked, embedded, and indexed in the vector database. Then the induction of the employees. Employees join the team using the ID of the company and can immediately query the knowledge base via chat or a call mode voice. And there is a profile, a central hub to manage roles and organization and details. Next is the future scope and future roadmap. So we are currently in the phase one. Looking ahead, our roadmap focuses on data sovereignty. Phase two involves enabling on-premise deployment. We plan to utilize local Llama 3 models and local quadrant containers to create fully air-gapped versions of Agento for highly sensitive sectors like defense and banking. Finally, the conclusion. In conclusion, knowledge should not be hard to reach. With Agento, we are helping the world stop searching through PDFs and start talking to them. Thank you. Let's take a look at a demo. So let us register for a company like Google 123 at gmail.com. and password registered. We got a unique ID for the company. Here the employee will make its account. Here he will add the workspace ID, which is the company ID. So it's a pre-made account. Let us add this email, password. So it is created. Let us log in now. So it's the AI agent from the employee login, and it's the admin login. Here company details will come. It's the company command center. Here the person will ingest the documents. Let's add a document. Give it a category, its name. Browse the file. Like internal troubleshooting. Give it a name like troubleshooting and index the document. So it is indexed and all the uploads came here. So I have used the MongoDB handles are relational data, user authentication, and strict role-based access control. Quadrant Cloud servers serves as our high-speed vector engine for semantic search. The reasoning layer is powered by Google Gemini 2.5 Flash connected via custom LangChain pipeline. So let me show you the chat AI agent. So let's say hi. What is the name of company? So Agento performs a similarity search, retrieves the relevant context and generates an answer. But here is the magic: visual reasoning. Because the answer involves a process, if sometime, Agento automatically generates a Mermaid.js flowchart on the fly. It does not just tell you the steps, it draws the full flowchart for you. Let me show you one. Like how to apply for internships. See, full flowchart is made and upper all the points are given. So this is how we can also visualize the text and the answers. Then we go to the AI call mode. It's a full AI calling mode with this 3D GIF. Hello.
Hello, how can I assist you today?
When the company was established. When the company was established. So it will
Alpha
analyze.
Trade Global Private Limited was founded in 2017.
In AI call mode also I have added the Mermaid.js system. Let us ask the question for internship. How to apply for internships? It will do the similar search.
To apply for an
We got a
internship
workflow
at Alpha
visualization,
Trade Global
check
Private
career page, apply for
Limited,
internships,
follow
and all
these
the things.
steps. 1. Regularly check the career page on the
Let us see
company
the user
website.
profile now.
2.
So it's a user profile, email, role admin, company registry, and the unique ID, which is said to be given to the employee for login to this website. This is a website for the employer or intern. Here he can't see the manager dashboard or anything. He can just see the AI call mode and a chat window and its user profile, personal identity, organization, and this thing. So this is our multi-tenant system for the companies to use. Here the employees or intern which are new to the company can ask the question to our both the modes, to the AI chat mode and AI call mode, and get the instant result of their queries and problems. Thank you for your time. I hope you like my project. Let's take a look at a demo.